Well, I got a video going right now, so it's just taking a minute. As you can see, it's been 5 minutes and they have yet to start up yet. I'm going to wait till it hits 6 minutes and then turn off the video. 6 minutes, there it goes. And they've still have not started up the map. Strike Zone Blitz.